So there's this really cool feature for PowerPoint for Mac users where you can animate your background in just a few seconds. It's pretty spectacular. So we start from any blank slide and we add our image. You can add your own image, you can add any from a library, that doesn't matter. We're going to put it on full screen. And now what we're going to do is we're going to that picture format tab. On the right side, you'll see animate as background. If we click this, a pop-up appears where we can click on certain parts of the image. So let's say we want to focus on this first, then on this part, and then we want to focus here. Click apply, and now it's already animated. So no loading times. If we go to the animations tab, and it opens up on the right, so animation pane, we can see it here already. So everything, I'll put it on full screen, has been animated. This is pretty cool. So let's preview actually what it does. I'm not touching anything. This is the background animation and it's starting very slowly to zoom in. So you see if we focus a little bit on the corners, on the edges, we'll see that the image is zooming in on that first part, that first dot that we've highlighted. Then we'll move to the second part and then the third dot that we've selected. I'll just speed up this process so you know exactly what it looks like. Now the best part about this all is that you can actually just update or add your content on top of it with extra animations or anything that you want to add on top, while the background subtly moves and has that very nice dynamic flow to it. So this can give some pretty cool effects in your presentation. So this is something that takes your static slides to more dynamic content in just a few simple clicks. If you want to learn more about PowerPoint, I have entire programs about presentation design or animations and transitions, which teach you everything you need to know about that tool and how to truly master it. So you can find all of the information in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.